All right. What's up, fam? Stretching a little bit. Looks like a good Sunday, Monday. I was gonna say Sunday. Huh. Um, what's up? What's up? I think right now there's some unhappy people that are getting liquidated. Sadly, oh, not the best time to welcome the new XRP Gemini card, but still, hey, we get cheaper XRP, huh? We get cheaper XRP. Those are the good news. You're always that we want to find the right approach. We always want to find the right approach. Welcome, everybody. How's it going? Welcome. You know what to do as soon as you're coming in. We're going to give you some info. We want to see what's happening, what's going on. Why are we coming to 287s or so? Like you can see the delicious consolidation in the 15-minute chart. Just yesterday, dump and dump. Whales, as we know, yesterday a big whale sold 24,000 Bitcoin, right? And Bitcoin right now, not a lot of people are very happy because we're gonna have a lot of liquidations with this. I had a position and I got liquidated, so it happens to everyone. It was not a really big one. I mean, it was not really a big one. It didn't lose thousands, but some positions that sometimes you put in and you have many positions. You're like, okay, well, got the liquidation email. It happens, okay? It all happens. This drop, if you're doing 30x, 25x, you really don't have the time to, unless you have a stop loss. I didn't have a stop loss on this one because it's not really like a big major margin that I'm adding. When I'm adding big margins like $5,000, $2,000, or even more, I absolutely need to have a stop loss, right? But sometimes when I don't have, when I'm not putting so much money, I'm like, I'll chill. But some days, something like this comes in, like what we had yesterday, and then you just start seeing the blood on the streets. Look at this one, guys. 286 right now. And I think the question I have for you guys is look at it. Look at the angry faces from Johnny. Oscar Kramer is here to rescue everybody. Oscar Kramer. Inverse Oscar Kramer in the house. I got you. I got one. I got one so good. Boom. Who is selling now? Me. Buy XRP, you scam. I am not holding and buying more. The last one. You guys still have money? We have no money, bro. How do you have money? Don't you know? Dump it up. You got to dump it up. Sometimes you just have to dump it up, everybody. We're about to get rate cuts. There's no reason crypto should be dumping. This is pure manipulation, people are saying right now. Pure manipulation, and sometimes that's what people say, Look at what Trucking on the Run says. The exchanges are selling off the flush, to flush longs too fast for big shorts to build up. That's one opinion that it really hurts because you say like, how could the exchanges do that, right? But they know everything. Exchanges are so smart, very smart. I know many of them personally, and I don't know what they do, right? But that's always a conversation. It's an opinion that people have that exchanges manipulate the market, but I don't know about that, Um, I don't have any proof. Cheaper in the house. Welcome, Riverside. Welcome, buddy. Happy to see you. Planet's here too. Let's go. Not Brandon in the house. Nice. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. We are here. Just catching up a little bit. We had a great video, guys. The XRP Gemini card that I think everybody was enjoying right now. You know, on X, people are going crazy. Look at this. Look at this. Go ahead and give it a yes to Brad and to David. Look at this face. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Look at this. I got mine. Mine is coming soon. All right, guys, tell me in the comments right now. Are you getting the card? Are you getting the official Gemini XRP card? Sucks because it's only for the US. Sucks. I think people in Canada, my friends in Canada and UK and so many other places, you guys want it. I was looking at the comments. You guys want it, but you can't, right? Why everybody so obsessed with that card? I mean, it's him. I mean, come on. It's the David. It's the David. There's some major whales selling a huge amount of Bitcoin. Don't you know? Dump it up. Got my belt, wearing my XRP t-shirt, holding an XRP rewards credit card at Espresso. Someone pitch me. That's so cool, man. That's really nice. I mean, they were pretty smart because it's not like Uphold or Epic or I don't know, Coinbase. Like they just randomly let you have XRP rewards. No, they were smart in saying, let's partner up with Ripple and let's just have a big campaign and have Ripple also get the excitement. So they have the Ripple arm. They have that, you know, partnership basically. That's good. And the fact that Ripple is promoting it too. It's promoting it. I mean, Ripple is promoting the card. So whatever happens to all of us, if there's a problem, if there's some issues, like I saw the APY in that card, 21%, bro. If you don't pay the card, you're going to get impaled, guys. It's going to be tough. Better pay the card because 21% APY, that's a lot of money, bro. There's a reason why they're doing it, of course. They want your money. They know a lot of people don't pay. Bro, I'm getting sick of this. What's going on, Keith? Happy to see you, man. Welcome. Maximus, did you get my message on Gemini? Where, Maximus? Here? I might, but I hear it's centralized Google-based wallet replacer, but I don't know. Might be an only option. Finally, some green, someone says. Three Diglets in the house. What's up, Three Diglets, are you in Discord? I think. Oh no, you told me that you were. Oh yeah, I was trying to remember. Create that X account, brother. Create that X account. So guys, we're coming in. Just I saw earlier today Trump going, live, and it was just too early for me. Which had just published the video. I'm like, no, I think next time. But yeah, he went live for a while, executive orders, and he welcomed the president of South Korea. That was really nice. Hey, Mark, what's up, buddy? Mansoor, Oscar is epic. Give 8% on anything. No. Mansoor, that is even better than the APY you get on USDT. No. They tell you up to. like Gemini, up to 4%. But once you reach a certain threshold, I think people were saying $300, right? Then that's it. It's all down to 1%. Like they're not gonna allow you to spend $10,000 or $100,000 or so. No. In fact, I think I got approved for $1,000, which that's ridiculous because I mean we all can go much higher than $1,000 in that car. Right? I think $1,000 is nothing, but they know people using the car typically are going to be people with a lot of money or that we have a purchasing power that is much higher than your normal person because we are in the business of finance and they know that we're going to have a lot of money, our income might be higher, and they don't want to give us a lot of money in return, XRP in return, basically. What's up, Rico? It's good to see you, buddy. Welcome. Oscar Kramer never fails. Oscar Kramer never fails. If we're pumping, I bring it down. If we're dumping, I bring it up. You're welcome. Sign up and start using my XRP card today. 10K earned already. 10 XRP earned already. Nice. Approved for 7,500 limit. 7,500? Then I have to increase mine. No way. Nola, what do you do? I got 1,000, dude. That's not. I was like 1,000. 1,000. I'm like nothing. I can do anything with 1,000. I need more. Nola, thank you. Appreciate that a lot, brother. Welcome. Thank you so much. I need more. I need more. I was like, come on, dudes. Need more fun, more excitement. You have 6,500? That's cool. Oscar Kramer, you're welcome, brother. I mean, it's just true. I don't know. I mean, am I Cup 2.0? I mean, I really want to see a nice pump, but sometimes it just doesn't happen. Your limit is 10,000. Okay, I'm mad. Jason, I'm mad. You just made me so mad right now, bro. I need to increase. I mean, I know how to do that. I've done it for so many cards, but I think I just have to go at it, right? I barely applied today, and I got it today. So let's see. Card. What is this? Oh, I need to authorize a bunch of stuff. Triple like, guys, consider subscribing to the channel and welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Very excited to have you here. I'm here complaining about me not having enough money in that card. 527, okay. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, I'm in. Now, it's metal. Ooh, it's metal. It's metal. Nice. Nice touch. Okay. Oh, unlock full credit limit. Oh, okay. Available credit. Approved credit. Okay. I mean, I need more. 1,000, really? Okay. So far, so good. So far, so good. I added to my wallet here on my phone too, so you can just tap it and pay. Not bad. Guys, I need to increase my limit for sure. TJ in the house. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it and welcome. 163,000. We love that. Yes, yes, we do. Yes, we do. I put a sticker on mine, but I need to see about getting the actual XRP. I know. I know, bro. It's true. I'm calling it now. Testing quarterly open at market cap 327. My man. Alberto Garcia in the house. Welcome. Holding 50,000K and not selling. Nice. The question is, who is selling now? Me. Bye-bye XRPU scam. That's like 10%. 50% of the people are buying the dip and holding the line. And of course, we have, you guys still have money. So let's take a look at what's going on so far. Here it is, my post. Getting love by the community, which is nice. Went Canada. I know, you guys. I know it's sad, that not open to everybody. Should be open to everyone, but hopefully in due time. When the market rips, everybody says, I'll buy Bitcoin. If it just pulls back, then the dip happens, they didn't act because the market doesn't feel good at that point. One solution: write the price you want to buy on a sticky note and put it on your monitor. Never feels good when you buy the dip. The dip comes when sentiment drops. Writing the number down can be good form of discipline. Oh, I'm gonna save this one, and I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste it right here, guys. Here it is. That's the one thing I tell you all the time. And the one and only, the legend, Tom Lee, one of the biggest holders of Ethereum, guys, is telling you, 100% agree. Buy the dip. It doesn't feel good. When you're buying the dip, you're going against human nature. Human nature is, dude, it's red. Selling, fear, run. Because everybody's doing it. No way. I knew it. Scam, problem, issues. It's going to get worse. That's human nature. If you allow your emotion just to get to you, you're going to have a hard time in crypto, my friend. But then what happens? Flip the script. Pumping to 360. People were buying at 360. I told you, as soon as it passed 3, I'm like, guys, all your horses. My level was under 3. I'm not buying much above 3 for now because it was a nice season of pump. And you just have to wait it out. Sometimes it comes down. Sometimes it doesn't. Oh boy, somebody's calling me. Okay, give me 1 second. You keep watching, guys. I'll go ahead and put this. Thanks, fam. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Mic is on. Mic is not on. Mic is not on. Mic is. Come on. Beware of lip readers. Mic was not on. Come on. You guys are the worst. You guys are my fam. Oh my goodness. No, because what happens is that totally unrelated note. I have a water filter that I bought on Amazon, but I don't know how to change the filters. I'm not really your like handyman guy, and I have to bring people to fix some issues, right? So that's one gonna come soon, and he's gonna help me. That's it. That's all it is. Okay. I need to send him the address. So give me one moment. We're seeing some green. We like that. We like some green, guys. Long term is the way. 100% long term. It is indeed. Copy and paste. Perfect. All right. Good stuff. I'll be your handyman. 1K a call. What? I knew it. Blood juice. John 316 in the house. We're here. All right, guys. We're back. We're back. You know that we always do it live. You do it live. We're do it live. Okay. Back. Thankfully, the price of XRP hasn't dropped lower, which is good. But honestly, guys, this was so good. This was so good. Make sure that you don't forget that it's supposed to hurt when you buy the blood on the streets. And this is not an XRP dedicated problem. This is not a Ripple dedicated, crypto dedicated, Bitcoin dedicated. It is not. Bitcoin blockchain is fine. Ethereum blockchain is fine. XRPL is fine. This is just more manipulation. Whales have a lot. You sell billions, you're going to have a nice 5-7% drop. If 5-7% drop caused by one person, that's how you know they have a lot of money. Sometimes you buy meme coins. Let me tell you a story. Sometimes you buy meme coins, right? Those meme coins go to trash, they're scams, or they're rug pulls and whatever. You just kind of gamble a little bit. When you have, let's say, you buy 1% of the supply, because you can buy 1%, 2% as much as you want because it's so cheap. So let's say you buy 1% of the supply. It costs you $5,000. Time passed, that $5,000 goes down to $600. So you lost over 90% of your investment. Fantastic. Or like close to 90%. Everybody sold, but you're still holding, and you're like, okay, whatever. The price is obviously super, super down, but it's still holding. You might say, oh, that is just $700. It's not much. No. You still hold 1% of the supply. As soon as you trigger the 1% of the supply, it's a lot. It's a lot of money. It's a lot of money compared to the market cap, because now it came all the way down. So you give back that 1% of the supply, you see that drop a lot. And that's what's happening because you have a lot of tokens, right? Who, from everybody watching right now, who has 1% of 1% of the supply of XRP? Nobody. Nobody. 100 billion total supply for XRP. 1 billion XRP. 1 billion XRP. Who has 1 billion XRP? That is $3 billion, guys. Give or take, if it's $3, that's $3 billion, guys. 109 Bitcoin? Almost 109. I'm watching it right here. So it happens. That's why we come down, because whales sell, and we understand that, and that's okay. Okay. Oh, look, Dennis and Julie. You know what? You shouldn't even be on YouTube then if you're a billionaire. Ever need help knowing how to put a filter? I know, and a car and all things, mechanical or electrical. Thank you, Jose. I appreciate it, buddy. Honestly, bro, I've been learning so much too. I have some rentals too, and let me tell you, man, I'm more of a financial guy, and I'm always been the business guy, the business person of the family. And my brother, he's the math engineer guy. I'm thinking to make money, and he's always like, I'm working to make money type of thing. We always have that dynamic. So when it comes to something broke in the house, I'm like, oh boy, okay. I'm learning, or I just say, you know what? I need to hire somebody. So that's me. That's me. Cheaper in the house. Let's go. Got shrewd. Nice. CEO just posted. Oh boy, let's see. Oh, don't you know? Dump it up. Look at that. 285. Let's take a look at this. Oh, it's gonna be about the Gemini card. Of course, I knew it. Oh no way! Let's send it. I'm gonna leave it right here. Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh boy. Oh boy. Drop a like right now. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you are getting that XRP card, I'm telling you, they did it the right way. They did it the right way. That's nice. Face of dumping. But I tweeted, "Oh boy, somebody is not happy that we have a Gemini card. What's going on? What's going on? Who's selling?" 109,000, 109,000. Everybody, we're coming down. We're coming down right now. An XRP reward credit card in the world. What a time to be alive, XRP family. Use the special edition Gemini gift card for everyday purchases and earn up to 4%. Yeah, I mean, the fact that he is posting it, they have complete back of Ripple now. Complete back of, like, they're absolutely now saying this is the Gemini Ripple card, basically. That's the way it feels to me. Oscar, stop selling. I knew it. One of you had to say it. It's me. It's me. You found me. You got me, guys. I'm here selling right now. I'm selling right now. Everything. Out. I'm selling right now. Puts. Short. We knew it. Yeah, you got me, bro. You got me. Jerome, you need more generational wealth. What a nice one, honestly. I mean, really nice, spectacular dips right now for a lot of people. If we go to Watch a Guru, we're going to see first we have Brad, then we have David. We're just missing Chris Larson and Stuart. Bitcoin falls under $110,000 right now. Bitcoin falling under $110,000. Ripple won't use XRP. Meanwhile, we are $1,500 away from Bitcoin confirming the bull market is over. Drop below 110,000 and the bull market is 100% over. The bull market is not over, Ben. The bull market is not over. People are selling. Let them sell, but no. No. That's the thing, guys. Like, people are going to be panicking a lot. Are going to be like, oh, that's it. It's over. Guys, I mean, are you really paying attention? No. We haven't even gotten an altcoin season, man. We're waiting for an altcoin season yet. That's why people just are not going to get it sometimes. This is when you buy it, bro. Tyler, what's up, buddy? Welcome. People always say the bull market is over in every dip. It's true. We have 30 days. Jeffro in the house. What's up, buddy? Welcome. Come in, guys. Come in. If you got if you guys want to get the the opportunity to buy XRP right now at these levels, and also like Brad Garlinghouse, get on board with the XRP army, you might want to get closer to the 2000 XRP giveaway that I'm giving right now through BTCC. First link down below, or the first link in the top of the chat. Join up, sign up, and do it, fam. Do it. Sign up to BTCC and get involved. You have some money, deposit, and start trading. I do have some cash on the side saved for this, so I think I know what I'm gonna do after this. I'm gonna use this picture for the longest time in my thumbnail, so get ready. That's a nice picture, Brad. Good job. Bitcoin rotation. Oscar, the only place you get info is X. Can't believe everything, bro. Not trying to bash you, but it's all been seen. Provide info from a bit from now. No, thanks. When it comes to videos, obviously I go through X and articles, official sources. You have to remember that many companies are posting on X, right? So it's more about who is posting on X rather than are you getting your info from X. Because if Ripple is posting something, well, if it's on X, it saves me time from going to their website, right? XRP is a joke. Guys, we're getting some hating comments. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. We're back to the hating. Some of them. It's still not like a lot. It's still not. I'll tell you when the hating comment meter is all the way to the top, okay? It's starting to grow. It's starting to grow. So good news. Hating meter, it's increasing now. Oh man, I'm so happy. But dude, I also want to share something with you guys that it's powerful. It's powerful. If you want to have a BIP tier 1 account, I partner up with crypto.com and you can get it. You can have a lot of different accounts, of course, for your trading. But this BIP account, I believe, is for like 3 months. And depends on how much you trade. You can even extend it, go to special events, have near to zero fees, and buy OTC, over the counter. Yep. And typically you have to apply, and we'll see if they get you in. But crypto.com gave me access. If you sign up with the link that I'm going to give you, you give me your email, the one you use for that. But when you sign up, I'm going to be having a list of all the people who do it. And that's it. Let me show you. Crypto.com exchange VIP Oscar Ramos. Right here. So if I do this, perfect. There it is, everybody. In other words, you click there. The first link is going to ask you to make your account on crypto.com exchange with my link. Has to be my link as my referral, fam, so for this to work. Once you get it, you go through all the steps, secure your account and all of that. And if you're asking, is crypto.com a good exchange? Crypto.com is one of the best exchanges that I've used for so many years. You're going to be in great hands. Great hands. So if you want to be free, absolutely free, BIP tier 1 account, all you have to do is make your account with the link that I gave you. It's going to send you to this form. Once you finish it, once you finish the first link, you put that email here. And if you want, give me a name, whatever name you want, whatever name. It doesn't have to be your real name, just whatever name that you can identify yourself with. And then that's it. Just submit. That's it. That's all it is. And that's the VIP portal. So there's the link, fam. If you are buyers, traders, if you like crypto.com, and even if you already have an account on crypto.com, even if you already have one, just give me your email and I'll get you in. They told me it's possible. If you don't have a tier 1 VIP account, this is your chance, honestly, to get in and push it. What I'm doing, guys, as you can tell, is I'm trying to give you everything. I'm trying to literally, every chance you come to a live, every chance that you watch one of my videos, it's not only just the info and the excitement and the video and me and, right? I just want to give you back. A 2,000 XRP giveaway with my link BTCC, 1,000 USDT, $1,000, again, BTCC, up to 10,000 welcome bonus with BTCC too. Then this crypto.com VIP tier 1 for free for a few months. I'm finding many ways just to give back to you guys what you deserve. And if you like that, well, great. Take the chance. Take the chance, because this is the time that exchanges really want to give a lot. And we're partnered up with some of them to make sure that you have all you want, all you need. Appreciate it, feeder. Love it. Why can't they show us on the blockchain the manipulation, and why is no one making videos on that? I'm going to show you this one. For you, specifically for you, Wook, there's this account, Arcam. Follow this account. This trader made 50 million on ETH and withdrew it to buy more ETH. If you follow this account, you're going to find who's buying and who's selling. This is an account that I can tell you it's good, it's trustworthy. I don't have control over it, of course, but I find it very useful, okay, to understand a little bit more. So if you're like looking for whale intelligence, Arcam, it's a good one. I think they sell their own services, but I'm not here to sponsor or whatever. But I'm just telling you, like, if you want to understand more about whales, that's going to help you. No need to give back, Oscar. Keep the 2,000 to improve your channel, man. Appreciate it, Alex. Alex, it's because of you guys that I'm here, not because of me. I put in the work, but at the end, you decide. There's hundreds and thousands of people out there. Some of them do a terrific job, and I'm very happy. And I watch some of them, right? And but it's always a blessing, you know, when we can be here with you guys, press live, and all of a sudden we have 1,500 people or so. What a blessing! And sometimes when things are pumping and things are exciting and things are out of this world, 10,000 people just like this. Why? Because FOMO kicks in. FOMO kicks in. But when FOMO kicks in, all I'm saying is this the price that I want to sell? Is this the price that I want to sell? Because if it's not, then I just keep holding, brother, to be honest with you. First time that we hit $3, first time, that went through my mind, and I'm like, do I really want to sell? And the answer was no. The answer was no. We came down a lot. So for some people, the answer will be yes, sell, and then buy back later. There's not a 100% guarantee it's going to happen, because let me tell you something. People sold at 3, and people were waiting for 50 cents under $1 price. It never happened. Never happened. So some of them had to buy at like 240, 210 or so, because they were waiting for under $1, but it didn't happen. Mark loves keep wasting time. What's up, buddy? Very happy to see you guys and welcome. Remember, market shakeout, the financial emotional people, and they let the understandable and no emotional attachment investors stay away for the long run. Look at this. Look at this. This guy is horrible. What's up, Paul? Guys, I'm telling you guys, we're getting more hating comments. That is good news. They all come to me. Let them all come to me. I'm the one that obviously is the worst, obviously. But let them all come to me, and that's fine. As soon as you start seeing more of them in the comments, that's great. Because it just means that it's human nature speaking out. Period. Bring the FUD, 100%. Keep talking. We love it. Secretary in the house. What's up, buddy? Welcome. Bro, best just to buy the dips and be patient. This thing takes time. It's like the first day that we have an XRP dedicated card and we have this great stuff. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. It is what it is. Bitcoin is definitely a scam coin, somebody says. Good to see you, brother. What's up, Sacred? Of course. Don't use leverage trading and be smart with your money. Buy and accumulate with each dip. Crypto McFerry. Yeah, 100%. I mean, leverage trading is not for everyone. It is for me. It is for some because that's how you make the most money. I'll show you this. What is his name? I always forget this guy's name. I always forget this guy's name. I always forget this guy's name. I cannot believe. Yeah, I forgot his name. I don't know. It's just not a name that I don't have in my mind every day. That's a cool, bro. Gemini card. That looks really nice. 283 right now. 103. What we doing? What's up, Kay? Why the haters are always quiet when you're winning? Why they wait until debate to hate? Don't you not bump it up? 100%, bro. 283.94. 109. I'll tell you who's winning the shorts. Those shorts are doing really well. We got Cameron Winklevoss reposting that right here. This is nice, man. This is nice. This is the type of collaboration you want to see from an exchange to a project. They know the amount of love we have for XRP, and they're using the two most vocal people in the XRP community. 100%. So I'm going to get one. Mine is coming in now. It's a metal card. And what's going to end up happening is that I'm going to be using that card until I max out the 4%. I'm going to max out the 4% because there's a limit. Once it's maxed out, then I'm going to keep using what I've been using for a while. Yep. We're going down. That's okay, brother. That's okay. Maybe a perfect time to include Epic. Big partner of the channel, guys. Big partner of the channel. Epic, shout out to them. The world's fastest growing RWA ecosystem. I made a video on it, and you guys loved it, which I appreciate that, guys. I want this too. Now, it's not going to be the world's first, so they have to change this. But look at this. Up to 8%. Big shout out to Epic because I won this card. Epic won. It'll just be mad. Happy Monday, Oscar. What's up? That blue soldier in the house. Let's go. Godstrud as well. Got your back. I like everything you put in so we can go viral. My man. Godstrud, you've been incredible, honestly. And I want to thank you and for everything that you're doing for our channel, man. Our next XRP, whatever it purchased. When Ripple launched, the XRP ledger It paved the way for real world financial utility on chain. Epic One is the first card to bring that vision to life. I'm sure someone is not going to have a good time here because Gemini was like, hold your horses. But it's good that still they have the idea and they want it, because I think nobody expected Ripple and Gemini to partner up. And Epic now has to come back strong and offer something more enticing to say, okay, come to us, right? And it's from 4 to 8%, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. So I like that, right? So I definitely want to go ahead and get this one once it's live. I'm actually going to ask them when I'm inside the wait list, bringing $50 billion on real world value on chain. One of the things that we like, and obviously that you come here home, backed by Ripple, Eternal, Brinks, Chainlink. So it's a great project that partner of the channel that we're keeping you guys informed. I see the comments that you guys are excited to. And of course, right now, if XRP is down, I wouldn't blame Epic also be down too. 250 makes sense. So some opportunities, right, to get in and be a part of the ecosystem. So shout out to them. Let's go. There's obviously all the news of different platforms and partners that are coming in. Shout out to them. I'll go ahead and grab this, and I'll post it twice here in the chat. Do your research and give it a look. 284 XRP. Not bad, not bad. Now let's take a look at the comments. What do we have here? What do we have here? Yeah, what a day, my fam. What a day. What a nice day just to be here, and also trying to buy the dip. It always helps. Crypto gonna be welcome Q4. So many good ones to invest. It's true. Oscar, do you hold more XRP or Crow? That's a good question. I love them both. I love them both. But I just went so many times all in on XRP that I just didn't know when to stop until I finally said, hey, you have to buy something else. CRO, the problem with CRO is that I bought a lot when it was over 50 cents. Obviously hasn't passed that in forever. So I spent a lot of money back then in a price that it was 5x what it is, So, but for XRP, I was fortunate that I bought 50-cent XRP, bro. That was so good. But some good 50-cent XRP, 60-cent XRP, 80-cent XRP, $1 XRP. They really help. So, yeah, I think I'm more buffed on XRP right now, but still, bro, staking, earning more. XRP never stored on an exchange, ever, never. Always your own wallets. Keep them safe. Always. XRP addiction. Yeah. Something I don't do that I think people do, which is fine. I don't really sell like my Crow to buy XRP. No. I bust my butt off. I work hard so I can have new money to buy in. I don't really want to touch my bags, right? I don't do it often. I don't really like to do it unless there's a specific reason why and I see a great opportunity, then I do it. But I don't really do that. And I know people like to do that, which is okay. That's their choice. I sold my Shiba Inu for XRP. Some people do it like that. It happens, It happens. Trump nuked the markets. What is time? It's 4 p.m. Let's take a look at stocks. It's not that bad here. Not that bad. Just less than 1%. So that's good. Less than 1%. The stock market, I mean, but here for us and Bitcoin, it's about 3%. Today we got a 4% down in the entire crypto market. Oscar, the forces that we want to flush retail down the toilet before we go way up. Bitcoin's wall at 110 seems solid, and XRP 285 seems solid. Thoughts? Well, we'll have a look at that one. First, 4-hour chart, the 4-hour time frame is what I like to use for TA, technical analysis. I would like to bring my different isolators, oscillators, and oscillators. So for this case, my Bollinger Bands is not going to help me. First thing I like to do, just take a look at the chart for any type of trends. And we're looking at both Bitcoin and XRP. Thank you, Ricky. We're going to go ahead and answer that in just a moment, brother. We can see here, starting with XRP, that we have some solid bottoms, right? Back early August, late August. So we're going down to that early August bottom at 272. That is going to be our second line of the pen, actually, because this is the first one at 278 and then 273. So what's happening right now is nothing out of the ordinary. Nothing out of the ordinary. I mean, it could happen. It's just a nice reset. For Bitcoin, otherwise, for Bitcoin, it's a little bit more unique because there's no bottom in this whole time. Even back in July, Bitcoin is actually pretty scary right now. I got to tell you the truth. Bitcoin is 109. What happened to Bitcoin? What actually happened to Bitcoin? 109. Wow. Someone really saying it. That's it. Someone's really saying, no, they're not going to cut. It is insiders sometimes because they know months ahead, weeks ahead. Like even after Jerome Powell says we are going to change our strategy and we get this, doesn't seem right to me. Doesn't seem that right to me. But I wonder, because obviously if we cut, we're going to go up and they're all going to get destroyed, these shorts. BTC is going back to July, bro. July. And XRP, guess what? Yeah, that's July level too. So this whole time, we've been waiting for a cut. That's why one of the reasons that the price hasn't done much, because we're still waiting on the macro to help us out. We're waiting for the for the macro to help us out. It works. It happens. Liquidation days. Oh, those days. Oh, those days. JB in the house. Oh, man, what a time, right? What a time. What's up, Hopium? Once again, guys, the Epic Change link. So you go ahead and do your research there. Why not? Why not? And I'm gonna also send you the form for CDC BIP Tier 1. There you have it, everybody. Even in the struggle and in the pain, we got good stuff for you guys. Create your accounts, send it. 4, very good. Let's take a look at something. We're doing 55, okay, almost there. Oh, by the way, you guys see this? XRP above $3 never again. Let me see if that works. I see, I see. I see what you're doing, brother. I see what you're doing. $3 XRP. I know because we stayed at $3 XRP for a long time and people bought that $3 XRP. I know it, they did. That's why it's not really sitting well with a lot of people. So I was on X and I saw Trump's hand because I wasn't watching. Hmm. Interesting. I saw this. So you can already say that the media is going to have some fun with this. Sad but true. Sad but true. He seems fine. He was trying to cover it. He seems fine, but you can clearly see there's something going on. I'm not a doctor, of course, but well, maybe the age and more. We'll get to see more of that as time goes on. Team Marty, Blood on the Streets isn't just for Sundays. Buy time. Good to have you, buddy, and welcome. If XRP did staking, would you do it? Of course. Of course. But I need an official wallet, bro. Right? I need an official wallet with staking or so capabilities, and I'll do it for sure. Yeah. He's all, what can we expect? Yeah, I mean, like, I'm not making a big deal. That the thing is that obviously, that's where all the eyes are going to go in the next coming days. He's 80. He's probably on blood thinners. Doesn't drink water. He's honestly defies clients. It's dumping means we all buy more. 100%. 109, 283. Let's go to the 15 minutes. Exactly at 2 p.m. today. So 2 hours ago. This whole paint started 2 hours ago. Make a year 2065, 2065. I can't believe it. Random, thank you so much, buddy, for your support. I like to buy cryptos that I can get some yield, of course, and I can get yield with XRP in different platforms, but I don't want to do like an external platform. I want to do something blockchain related. That's me personally. That's what I like to do. Riddle, very happy to see you, buddy. Welcome, my friends. The time is there. Wanted to come and say hi to all of you. I wanted to come and bring you the content and bring you all these chances. Crypto.com tier 1, you got the links. XRP, get your 2000 XRP giveaway as you join BTCZ and start trading, deposit, and more. Thank you guys for being here with us. We'll keep an eye on this. We actually didn't go down as much. You go 1 hour ago. This was 3. This is 4. So Oscar Kramer, once again, pulling through. You're welcome. For XRP, for Bitcoin, it's still going down. But for XRP, made it. That blue soldier. Thanks, buddy. You just watch for free. That's all you have to do. That's all you want to do. That's totally fine. And we appreciate your support, buddy. Closing the poll right now. Who's selling? 50%. You're not. 20%. Those are the ones selling. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time. That's all for me. Wanted to say hi to the fam and to give you more. And well, sometimes it's good to be here. Good to be home with you. Stay safe. God bless you all. And I'll catch you next time. Peace. Kaboom, hopium, 100%. You want to make money? It's coming in. But you better buy the blood on the streets. Those asking what's a good wallet, I'll do, you can do Ledger, Trust, MetaMask, Phantom, you name it. Good wallets. You want to do cold storage wallet, Trezor, Tangem, and more. Always do your research. Not only just take it from me, go ahead and ask people out. Take your time. Don't rush it. And write it down.